Hi, I'm Anita from Coast of Maine Organic Soils, and we're here today in Lubec, Maine at CoHills, the best place to eat. And we're with Glenn. He is an absolute genius mixologist. And the whole reason we're here today is an event we're calling Garden to Glass. And how this all came about is I'm an organic gardener and I love to cook. Glenn loves to cook, Glenn loves to make drinks. Cocktails are the new way to use your organic garden produce and herbs and vegetables and fruits. So more reason to grow organic, because now you're going to be mixing fabulous drinks that Glenn is going to take us through 4 different drinks. So Glenn, you want to tell us what you're kind of using here today?
Yeah, so today we're going to do 4 cocktails, all featuring local ingredients. We've got a drink I call the Social House, which is made with fresh cucumber, basil, Saint Germain, and then we feature a Maine-made gin. We're going to do a Izzy is Spicy drink, which has got fresh jalapeno infused simple syrup and grapefruit juice and tequila, nice, light, refreshing, spicy kind of drink. And then we got 2 new drinks that we're adding today. We're going to do a blackberry sage Mule, which is going to be blackberry sage infused simple syrup with Kentucky bourbon and a splash of Maine ginger brew on top of it. Again, light and refreshing. And then my personal favorite is the Basil blueberry Gimlet. Once again, featuring Maine gin or vodka, whichever way you like your Gimlet. So we're pretty excited about this. Yeah.
They all sound
fantastic.
I'm thirsty. I'm really thirsty.
I'm really
Why
thirsty.
don't we make one?
So we're going to make one. I think we're going to start with the Gimlet first.
Ooh, Maine blueberries are the best. They're wild blueberries, so they're smaller than traditional blueberries, and you can only get them in Maine.
Very, very small blueberries. So what we've done is we've mixed up an infusion already of the simple syrup, and that's got the wild Maine blueberries and some local basil that we're going to toss in there. We've got some fresh squeezed organic lime juice that we squeezed up today, and we're going to add some of that in there. And then we're going to add some of our, I'm going to go with our, oh, we messed up. Wherever gin go? Gin. I'm going to add some gin to that. Give that a good shake. Not too much.
That's the best sound.
That is the best sound, isn't it? We like that sound. That sound is going to be a really, really refreshing color to this.
That is beautiful.
Wow.
Wow. If you aren't growing organically, this is a real reason to do it.
And we can top that with any number of things. We could put a little slice of lime in there or a couple of blueberries, but we're just going to go this way and say sláinte.
Cheers. Thank you. Ooh.
I'm done.
Yeah, that is delicious.
Can we just drink?
Yeah, we can drink now. Thank you
The rest of
very
the night
much.
off. That's really good.